show you in the quick and easy way how you can use coupons on Temu. So for example, here I want to buy this jewelry here, right? This necklace. Now, if I want to buy this necklace here, you can see there is a buy now option here with 88% off, which is technically a coupon on its own. But you can see once I'm here, it doesn't matter about that 88% off. We want to add more coupons here, right? So for example, here we just have to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and eventually you'll find a coupon option here, which is here, right? Apply coupon code. Just tap on that, and then you can see you can enter in a coupon code and then click on this button to apply, of course. But of course, I don't have a coupon code right now, so just enter in your coupon code if you do have one, and then just tap on that button to apply. There is also other features where you can find coupon codes. So for example, here, if I go back, if I go to the U section here, and I go to play and earn, you can see I can find another coupons section here. You can see there's gift calendar, redeem credit, farmland, 5 serious item, and win $50 credits. A lot for you to find. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.